When we do Parans, all Parans are crossings, not all crossings are Parans. Parans are two celestial bodies that simultaneously are on different angles at the same time. As we know, astrocartography, when we're boiling it down to the basic definitions, it's planets conjunct and angles. And they're powerful Parans in that when we have two planets on different angles, how you're getting all that extra angularity. Because if we look at it, Jim Lewis would say that the angles are like sockets and the planets are like plugs. So it's almost like going from 110 volt to 220 volt. Now that we have like two different plugs pushed into possibly two different angles here. Parans are not as strong as crossings. Crossings is something I will cover here in part one, but I have to cover about the Parans first since they're really pretty popular. And the reason is that they're not as popular or they're not as strong or not as profound as crossings is because Parans are built into our natal promise. We could look at the chart and we'll see a telemic aspect between those planets. And those planets will know how to talk to each other. In other words, you would know how to control that in your life because you were born with that aspect. If you don't have that aspect, it's two planets that are not communicating with each other. And that's a new energy that you would have to learn how to deal with. And because it's something that happens in space but manifests on Earth, that's why crossings are more profound. They're celestial gifts.